Welcome to Daily Angelic Messages for Thursday, April 30th, 2020, day number 121. The message for today is keep plugging away. Taking a nice deep breath into your heart and a nice breath out and listening from within. Some of your dreams require your time and energy, and it's easy to get distracted and procrastinate. Yet at the same time, your heart is tugged by the desire for completion. These meaningful aims are called priority projects, internally driven undertakings that your soul is guiding. Keep plugging away at these important goals. If you ask for our assistance, we'll clear your calendar and give you the necessary space, time, and motivation. We can help you overcome the tendency to put things off by lending our support to heal your underlying fears. Just ask, and we'll aid you in finding creative ways to enjoy working on your projects. While the fulfillment of your life's mission is important, the journey along the way is equally essential to your soul. The thought for today, repeating after me: I ask for my angels' help in motivating me to work on my priority projects. I keep plugging away at the goals that are personally meaningful. This use of time is an investment for me. Have a most beautiful, blessed day.